How can I automatically translate incoming email? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new email received in Gmail. Then we'll be using the AI Wizard by Workload to determine whether that email is in English or another language. We'll be setting up a filter so that any email in another language is then translated by the AI Wizard by Workload and then sent again as a new email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. This is going to be email received to translate to new email. And I'm going to pick the trigger by clicking in the trigger box. My triggering app is going to be Gmail. The event is going to be new email received. Make sure I'm connected to my Gmail account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description of this video. We're going to test our trigger. So we have a new email received. And as I scroll down, I see this email is in Spanish. And I want to receive this email already translated into English. So we can do that by using our tools and filters. So I'm going to click continue here. For the first step after the trigger, we're going to use our tool, the AI Wizard by Workload. We're going to prompt your data. The input data is going to be the subject and the message. And our prompt is determine if this email is in English or not. If it is in English, label as English. If it is not in English, label as translate. So we'll test this action. And the language is translate because it is not in English. So we'll click continue. We'll add a step. But before that next step, we're going to set up a filter. So I'm going to click on this plus sign, come down to where it says filter. For the field is going to come from that step 2 prompt. If the field of language equals translate, and we'll save that filter, then we'll use the AI Wizard again. We'll use those same inputs from the original trigger of the subject, enter, and the message. Translate this email into English and show me a new subject and message. Test our action. So now our message has been translated into English. So now that we have that translation, we can click continue. We can add a step. This is going to be in Gmail. We're going to come down to where it says send email towards the bottom. 2 is going to come from the original email. And it's going to be the recipient. So I just want to receive it again, already translated. The subject is going to come from that third step. That's going to be the English subject. And then the body is going to be the English message. Then we can click continue and test this action. So now that new version of the email has been sent to my inbox. So I'll click continue. I can look over at my Gmail account. I can see the Spanish version of that email. If I reload my inbox, now I can see that translated version of the email. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor, can check and make sure that there is a green dot in the corner of each of our nodes, and then I can activate my workflow. And so now, whenever I receive a new email in Gmail, the AI Wizard will determine whether or not it needs to be translated. If it does, then it will be translated and then sent again to my Gmail account. And that's how you can use the AI Wizard by Workload to automatically translate incoming emails. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.